Hello my loves, today we are getting into the sunshine spirit by sharing some sun protection products as well as some really scrumptious summer body products. Starting off with the Kind sunscreen. This has a cult following and for good reason. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen, so it offers you protection from UVA and UVB rays, and the texture is really light and sheer, so it glides onto the skin, great for use on the face as well as the body. Next up, we have Little Urchin. Absolutely love this product. It comes in a tube as well as a stick version, depending on what you prefer. And it also offers broad spectrum protection. It's ocean friendly, reef friendly, and the texture is really lightweight as well. So it goes on really comfortably on the face as well as the body. And the stick version is so cute, and you can pop it in your handbag and then reapply throughout the day. Next up, we have sun protection for the lip. Hurraw lip balm has an SPF in it, so you can put your lip balm on, hydrate your lips, and then also protect at the same time. It smells absolutely amazing. And then next up, we have a little something scrumptious for the body. Living Libations has the most amazing body oil. It really gets you into the summer spirit. It smells incredible, and it's treating your skin to so many incredible plant oils. Next up, we have Biologi face and body serum. This is a great product for anyone who has sunburn or who just wants to offer the body extra environmental protection. It is really potent.